Living life on your own terms isn't just about doing what you want when you want, but it's about living a life that is meaningful to you. Well, Javon, that's all good. But where do I start? Well, friend, I'm glad you asked, because today I'm going to tell you how. Welcome back to Sparky University's Spark TV. I'm Javon, your personal success strategist and productivity expert. Each week, I provide tools and tips to help you successfully achieve your academic, personal, and professional goals. The first step of living life on your own terms is to reclaim your life. But in order to take back control of your life, you must first define what that life looks like for you. Now, once you do that, you have a clear picture of where it is you want to go and what it is that you want to achieve. A vision board does just that. It provides a tangible representation of your goals and dreams. The first step in creating your vision board is to make sure that you're mentally ready. So in order to do that, make sure that you have set aside enough time to focus and make sure that you are free of any mental distractions. Next, you would do a brain dump. That is when you would list all the things that you feel that would make your life fulfilling and satisfying. So to help you with that process, ask yourself these questions. What is it that would make my life more meaningful? What is it that I wish that I were doing right now instead of what I'm doing now? Where would I like to be? Now for the fun part, but let's set everything up first. So get your favorite playlist, get your favorite snacks. I love snacks. And get a few friends. You can have a vision board party. To create your vision board, you can go the traditional route and use poster board. Or if you're a tech lover like me, then you might be looking for something like Google Slides, Padlet, or Canva. Canva has templates that are wonderful for something just like this, okay? But whatever it is that you use, you want to make sure that you're choosing the colors, the images, and the words that represent what it is that you see your vision to be for your life. Lastly, you want to make it visible. Because what good is a vision board if you don't see it? So hang it up in your room or maybe on the refrigerator. If you went digital, you can be creative with that because you can save it as your lock screen on your phone, or you can put it as a screensaver on your computer. You just want to make sure that you see it and it's always constantly in your face. So that way you always remember what it is that you're trying to achieve. So yes, friend, it is possible for you to reclaim your life. So that way you can live the life that you love. You can change your life for the better. I want to invite you to join me for part 3 of the series, Living Life on Your Own Terms. So choose today to start living life boldly, passionately, and purposefully. I'll see you next week.